Sounds nice, doesn't it? Looking at a 2014 Nissan 370Z. This car's got a lot of custom options on it. I'm gonna run it down right now. Right here we got a custom carbon fiber spoiler, giving you some more aerodynamics when you're going down the highway. Also got some nice custom black on black TSW rims. Also got a custom carbon fiber door handle. Tinted windows, of course. Nice bright red color. As we go to the engine, got a still-in intake system, giving this V6 engine more power than it's already got. All this brand new 2014 370Z for under 30 grand.